Salam salam ወደ በረካ ቡና እንኳን ደህና መጣችሁ. If you're enjoying the series so far, please like and subscribe so you don't miss future episodes. Today, we'll review a rather tricky form of verb conjugation in Amharic. That is, verbs conjugated in the forms used to, I used to take dance classes, and going to, he's going to kill me. This form is referred to as the contingent because it relies on an auxiliary verb to make any sense. It can be thought of as an alternative root form of a verb, which you'll need to learn to start forming more complex sentences, like the conditional, which we'll go over next episode, and these used to and going to verbs. Note that learning the Amharic fidel at this stage starts to become critical, as it'll help you identify subtle differences in the writing and therefore pronunciation of different words. Let's tackle the root, or contingent, first, which is used to create sentences about the past in the English equivalent of the form used to, and which serves as a base for other conjugations as well. Let's start by breaking down a couple verb examples. Meblat in the infinitive form is to eat. The root, as we've learned before, is bela, he ate. To create a sentence like, I used to eat pancakes, you would use this root form with the past tense of menor, to be, which is neber. Listen to the following conjugations for each pronoun. Ene ebela neber. Ante tebela neber. Anchi tebeyi neber. Enante tebelu neber. Isu yibela neber. Iswa tebela neber. Enya innebela neber. Enesu yibelu neber. You may have noticed that the prefixes for these conjugations are the same as those that are used for the present future tense conjugation, ebelalo, tebelalech, tebeyalish, etc. Note also that the conjugations for ante and iswa are the same, so context becomes important. Finally, notice that the root bela remains the same for most pronouns with the exception of anchi, which changes to beyi, and enante enesu, which changes to belu. This pattern is the same for all conjugations using the contingent. Let's look at another example. The root of mehid, to go, is hede. For the contingent, however, you use hid as the root. So for each person we have ene ehidneber, ante tehidneber, anchi tehidjineber, enante tehidunneber, isu yihidneber, iswa tehidneber, enya innehidneber, enesu yihidunneber. In cases where the infinitive of the verb starts with ma rather than me, such as mawek, to know, or mayet, to see, the prefixes change slightly to conserve the a sound. For mawek, aweke, the conjugations would be ene awek neber, ante tawek neber, anchi taweki neber, enante taweku neber, isu yawek neber, iswa tawek neber, enya inawek neber, enesu yaweku neber. And for mayet aye, we have ene ayi neber, ante tai neber, anchi tayi neber, enante tayu neber, isu yayi neber, iswa tai neber, enya enai neber, enesu yayu neber. Great, now let's do some practice examples using the verbs we've learned so far. Wedeza park ehidneber. Wedeza park ehidneber. I used to go to that park. T'enama yalhone ምግብ ይበላ ነበር. T'enama yalhone ምግብ ይበላ ነበር. He used to eat a lot of unhealthy food. የልጆች ቲቪ ፕሮግራም ቅዳሜ ጠዋት እናይ ነበር. የልጆች ቲቪ ፕሮግራም ቅዳሜ ጠዋት እናይ ነበር. We used to watch a children's TV show every Saturday. ኢየሱስም ታወቅ ነበር ግን አሁን ረሳች። ኢየሱስም ታወቅ ነበር ግን አሁን ረሳች. She used to know his name, but now she forgot. በልጅነታቸው ወደ የነሱ አያቶች እሁድ እሁድ ይሄዱ ነበር. በልጅነታቸው ወደ የነሱ አያቶች እሁድ እሁድ ይሄዱ ነበር. When they were kids, they used to go to their grandparents' house on Sundays. Though we haven't gone over the verbs in the following examples, see if you can recognize the root form, and if you'd like more practice, try writing out the conjugations in all persons. ሁልቀን ትሩጪ ነበር? ሁልቀን ትሩጪ ነበር? Did you, female, used to run every day? ወላጆቼ ብዙ ይስቁ ነበር. ወላጆቼ ብዙ ይስቁ ነበር. My parents used to laugh a lot. ላሞቻችንን እጠብቅ ነበር. ላሞቻችንን እጠብቅ ነበር. I used to watch over our cows. ራሄል ምግብ ቤት ውስጥ ትሰራ ነበር. ራሄል ምግብ ቤት ውስጥ ትሰራ ነበር. Rachel used to work in a restaurant. ሁሉም ቀን ሮቤል የመጫወቻ መኪናውን ከሱ ጋር ይወስድ ነበር. ሁሉም ቀን ሮቤል የመጫወቻ መኪናውን ከሱ ጋር ይወስድ ነበር. Robel used to take his toy car with him every day. Now that we've reviewed the contingent and one way it can be used, let's look at another important use of this form of verb conjugation. This is the near or immediate future. Sentences like, I'm going to fall, or I'm about to eat, or I'm going to shop, etc. Having learned the contingent verb conjugation just now, this should be an easy addition. Essentially, all you do is add a l sound to the start of each prefix. Note that where the l is added to a prefix that starts with a vowel sound, the new letter conforms or adapts to that vowel. For example, libela is simply libela. Let's listen to a few examples. Wesede, mosed is to take. So I'm going to take, they're going to take, etc. would be Ine ልወስድነው. Ante ልትወስድነው. Anchi ልትወስጂነው. Inante ልትወስዱነው. እሱ ሊወስድነው. እሷ ልትወስድነው. እኛ ልንወስድነው. እነሱ ሊወስዱነው. ሰጠ, መስጠት is to give. So we're going to give, you're going to give, etc. are as follows. Ine ልሰጥነው. Ante ልትሰጥነው. Anchi ልትሰጪነው. Inante ልትሰጡነው. እሱ ሊሰጥነው. እሷ ልትሰጥነው. እኛ ልንሰጥነው. እነሱ ሊሰጡነው. Note that for these, we've been using the verb menor to be in the present tense, no, rather than neber, to make conjugations in the present, I am going to, you are going to, etc. Importantly, though, you can use the same verb form but replace no for neber if you're speaking about something that could have happened, was going to happen. So, for example, to say, I was going to come, but I got delayed, you'd use the following verb conjugation for meta, memtat, to come. Ene ልመጣ ነበር. Ante ልትመጣ ነበር. Anchi ልትመጪ ነበር. Inante ልትመጡ ነበር. እሱ ሊመጣ ነበር. እሷ ልትመጣ ነበር. እኛ ልንመጣ ነበር. እነሱ ሊመጡ ነበር. Okay, if you've made it this far without quitting, you deserve a pat on the back and a few practice exercises. As usual, you'll hear the Amharic twice first and then the English translation. I'd always recommend pausing so you have some time to think about the sentence before moving on to hear the translation. Here we go. Number 1. የባለፈው ሳምንት እናቷ አዲስ አበባ ልትመጣ ነበር። የባለፈው ሳምንት እናቷ አዲስ አበባ ልትመጣ ነበር. Her mother was going to come to Addis last week. Number 2. ለልደት ልጁ ስጦታውን ልንሰጥ ነው. ለልደት ልጁ ስጦታውን ልንሰጥ ነው. We're going to give the birthday boy the present. Number 3. እግር ኳስ ማክሰኞ እጫወት ነበር. እግር ኳስ ማክሰኞ እጫወት ነበር. I used to play football on Tuesdays. Number 4. በመሰላሉ ላይ ሊቆም ነው. በመሰላሉ ላይ ሊቆም ነው. He's going to stand on the ladder. Number 5. ሳሎሜ ከኛ ጋር ልትሄድ ግን ብዙ ሥራ ነበራት. ሳሎሜ ከኛ ጋር ልትሄድ ግን ብዙ ሥራ ነበራት. Salome was going to go with us, but she had too much work. Number 6. ምሳ ልንበላ ነው. ምሳ ልንበላ ነው. We're going to eat lunch. Number 7. ድመቷ ልትዘል ነበር ግን ወፉ በረረ. ድመቷ ልትዘል ነበር ግን ወፉ በረረ. The cat was going to jump, but the bird flew away. 8. የዓለም ዋንጫ ጨዋታ ልናይ ነው. የዓለም ዋንጫ ጨዋታ ልናይ ነው. We are going to watch the World Cup matches. Number 9. አረብኛ ማውራት ትችይ ነበር. አረብኛ ማውራት ትችይ ነበር. You used to be able to speak Amharic. Number 10. ዛሬ ልጆቹ ፈተና ሊወስዱ ነበር ግን መንግስት ሁሉንም ትምህርት ቤቶች በኮቪድ ምክንያት ሊገዛ ነው. ዛሬ ልጆቹ ፈተና ሊወስዱ ነበር ግን መንግስት ሁሉንም ትምህርት ቤቶች በኮቪድ ምክንያት ሊገዛ ነው. The kids were going to take an exam, but the government is going to close all the schools because of COVID. And that's it for today. Thanks for bearing with me on yet another grammar episode. If you haven't already, make sure to start learning the Amharic Fidel, as it'll help you progress more quickly and accurately. I'd also recommend finding a book of Amharic verb conjugations to help support your learning. If you have feedback, questions, or comments on this or previous episodes, we'd love to hear from you. The address is contact@berekabuna.org. Thanks, and until next time, goodbye.